What's up, yo? Welcome to my channel, Larry Dennis TV. I look forward to helping you guys crush it in business. So let's talk. So you say you're in business, right? You're building this brand from home, you're working online, you're doing some affiliate stuff, you're trying to make some extra money, all that good stuff, which is good, as you should be. It's nice to see people want to take charge of their financial situation and be in charge of their own destiny, right? But you have to understand, social media changed. The market is different. Everything that was applying 2010, 2012, it doesn't apply now in 2024 and beyond. So you have to adapt with the changes. And having YouTube as a secret weapon to video marketing is a very, very must tool to have. Why? I'll tell you. The difference between YouTube and like Instagram, TikTok, and those other platforms that are video platforms, when you create a piece of content over there, it's there for a short period of time and then it's gone. However, on YouTube, it's evergreen, which means I put out a piece of content today. This piece of content, if it's good enough and it has lots of value, can last on the platform for years and years to come. I cannot tell you how many people that experience creating a piece of content that are still getting value from it years later. And that's the power of having videos on YouTube. So YouTube is a must have platform when it comes to using it for video, for your business. So if I was you and you're trying to build a network marketing business, the way I would do it is like this. First of all, I'd set up an account. That's the first thing. If you have a Gmail, then you can have a good, access to creating a channel, no problem. Second thing I would do is I would research a very good name for my channel, if it's going to be towards like my business or whatever, or if you want to brand yourself, using your name is also good. If you don't know what kind of name to create for your channel, having your own personal name is a very, very good thing to do. And also another thing to do is once you do all that SEO, once you do all that research and stuff, SEO is a must. The SEO, search engine optimization, is very useful, and it's a must thing that you must know how to do for your channel and for your product, services, stuff like that. Why? Because like that, people can find you better through search tactics, engine stuff. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Another thing I would tell you to do is research your industry, your niche. It's very important to know what other people are doing, because there are other people in your niche, probably in your company, that have a channel, have a presence. So you want to research and see who's doing what and get a feel of how this stuff could work and how you can go about strategizing your content. So it's very good to research and see other people what they're doing. Don't copy them, but kind of get inspiration and just find your own style, right? Then after that, I would suggest to know, are you going to be a product service type of channel, or are you going to be like independent leadership, giving training type of channel? So once you figure out that, you kind of would know where you're trying to go with that, and then from there you can proceed with creating your channel. Then the last tip I would give you is to, once you understand what type of channel you're going to have, you have a good name, and you're going to move a brand or be a independent service, product, whatever, then you want to start to learn how to do keyword research. Anyhow, there's a lot of stuff that you can learn how to do, and it may seem overwhelming, but the first step is to start somewhere. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just start with creating the content, get the name, all that stuff out the way first, and then just start creating the content. Once you start creating the content, consistency will be your key for your success in your YouTube journey. Because you can post videos, but if you're consistent, you'll start to attract viewers. And the viewers, if they like your content, they're going to keep watching, they're going to keep showing up. So it's very important to stay consistent, because if you don't be consistent, YouTube's not going to help push your channel out there to other people, and at the same time, people won't come back and rewatch videos, right? So those are some tips I would give you. I have other more videos coming out. If you like this type of topic, let me know, comment down below, and I will put out more videos like this. But for now, I just wanted to give you those little rundowns of how to start, how to get your feet wet and how to start in 2024, how to do YouTube for your network marketing business. So with that being said, I see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Thank you for supporting me. Take care. Peace.